Look what we're working with. Black chicken. I'll be making honey garlic black chicken with a little fried rice. Here it is.
Oh, black those bones are.
Honey garlic black chicken with fried rice. These chickens are very small, and you don't need to cut it like when you're jointing chicken. Look at that, because if you joint the legs you won't have anything. So I'm just gonna do it in half.
You know where this chicken comes from, for real?
Some probably Indonesia or something. First I wash my chicken properly. Vinegar and salt water. So I'm just gonna slightly season and then fry in the oven, and that's it. I'll season it right here. This is just some seasoning salt. Remember, this chicken is already clean. All the wings. We want it to be really taste like when we're doing our chicken.
Does that taste like regular chicken?
We'll see today.
I don't know, every time I look at it, it just looks... I don't know what the word is.
Gonna be properly seasoned, so.
I don't know what the word is, but...
We want it to taste like it's well seasoned. So we're not gonna just add salt and pepper. No, we're gonna season this bad boy up. Just season to your taste. So this is chicken seasoned. It's gonna be delicious. It's your mama cooking it.
It don't look delicious. I don't think you can make black chicken look...
Close your eyes and eat. And a bit of salt.
If you came to a restaurant and they came out and the chicken was black like this, you would be like, what the hell did you just bring me?
No, you'd have to order that. You don't just... They're just not gonna just bring you.
What if it don't even say nothing? What if it doesn't say black chicken? What if it just says chicken?
No, it should say black chicken, and you should order black chicken.
I don't know.
So now I'm gonna eat my pot.
If I was at the restaurant and it said black chicken on the menu, I don't know if I'd have to question that.
Well, you go ahead. Let's rub in our season. We want to give this chicken a nice crispy skin. So now we're going to add the chicken in the pot. So meanwhile my chicken is frying, I'll be making some fried rice to go with this black chicken. oil. Just simple fried rice. Onion. This is just a vegetable fried rice. Vegetables. Add in all my vegetables that they fry. When I'm making fried rice, I like to add Vegeta. I might add a bit more. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven, but first I'll add my honey garlic sauce. Lots of garlic. And a bit of chili pepper flakes. And now in the oven for about a few minutes, probably 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. Vegetables fried. Now I add in my rice. A bit of sesame seed oil. Soya sauce. And of course, chili pepper flake. If you want your fried rice to be darker, you could add more soy sauce. And I believe I want mine a bit darker. So my honey garlic black chicken just got out the oven. I just took it out. Doesn't that look mouth-watering, crispy skin? So my first time making black chicken. Let's see. I'm not lying. This is good. A bit kind of chewy, but seasoned, crispy skin, delicious. So from my amazing house to yours, one love.